Welcome students. In this video we will solve question number 17 and 18 of exercise 5.5 class 12th NCERT of chapter 5 continuity and differentiability. So let us start. In the 17th question we are given differentiate x square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9 in three ways mentioned below. First, by using product rule. Second, by expanding the product to obtain a single polynomial. And third, by logarithmic differentiation. Do they all give the same answer? We have to check. So, starting with first part, here we have to apply the product rule. So, we have to differentiate this x square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9. So applying product rule, what we get? This becomes, first of all we will differentiate x square minus 5x plus 8 and keep the second function as it is. Then plus the first function as it is, and we differentiate the second function. Now differentiating first function, we get differentiation of x square is 2x minus differentiation of 5x is 5 and 8 is 0, and x cube plus 7x plus 9 as it is, plus now x square minus 5x plus 8 as it is, and differentiation of x cube is 3x square plus 7x is 7 and 9 is 0. Now this can further be written as 2x minus 5 x cube plus 7x plus 9 plus x square minus 5x plus 8 into 3x square plus 7. Now we simplify it, we multiply it. So multiplying with 2x, we get 2x to the power 4 plus 14x plus 9 into 2, 18x, then minus 5x cube, then minus 35x, then minus 45 plus 3x to the power 4 plus 7x square minus 15x cube, then minus 35x, then plus 24x square and plus 8 into 7, 56. So in simplifying we get 2x to the power 4 plus 3x to the power 4 is 5x to the power 4. Then minus 5x cube minus 15x cube is minus 20x cube. Then 7x square plus here we have 14x square. 14x square plus 7 is 21 and 21 plus 24 is 45x square. Then 18x minus 35 is minus 17x. Then minus 17 and minus 35 will be minus 52x. Then the constant term minus 45 and plus 56 will be plus 11. So this is the differentiation if we apply the product rule. Now in the second part we have to expand by expanding the product to obtain a single polynomial. So first of all we multiply it. So d by dx of x square minus 5x plus 8 and x cube plus 7x plus 9. This can be written as, we multiply it, so it becomes x to the power 5 plus 7x cube plus 9x square. First of all, multiply x square with this polynomial, then minus, now multiply minus 5x with this, so it becomes minus 5x4 minus 35x square minus 45x, then plus, now multiply this by 8, so 8x cube plus 56x and plus 72. So it becomes x to the power 5, then 5x to the power 4, we have, and so what we will write, minus 5x to the power 4. Then cube term, 7x cube plus 8x cube will be 15x cube. Then we have 9x square minus 35x square will be minus 26x square. Then minus 45x plus 56x minus 45x, and we have plus 56x will be plus 11x plus 72. Now we differentiate it, so what we get, differentiation of x to the power 5 is 5x to the power 4, then minus 5 into 4, 20x to the power 3 plus 45x square minus 52x, and 11x derivative is 11 and derivative of 72 is 0. So we are getting the same answer as in first part. Now in the third method we have to apply logarithmic differentiation, and we will see that we are getting the same result. So let y equal to x square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9. So taking log both sides, what we get, log y equal to log x square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9. Now this can be written as log y becomes log of x square minus 5x plus 8 plus log of x cube plus 7x plus 9. By applying the property, log AB will be log A plus log B. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, what we get, 1 by y dy by dx equal to differentiation of this function log x square minus 5x plus 8 will be 1 upon x square minus 5x plus 8, applying the chain rule, into d by dx of x square minus 5x plus 8. Then plus 1 upon x cube plus 7x plus 9 into d by dx of x cube plus 7x plus 9. So this becomes 1 by y dy by dx equal to derivative will be 2x minus 5 upon x square minus 5x plus 8 plus here the derivative will be 3x square plus 7 upon x cube plus 7x plus 9. So this can further be written as dy by dx becomes, take y to the right hand side, taking the LCM, x square minus 5x plus 8 and x cube plus 7x plus 9. We get 2x minus 5 into x cube plus 7x plus 9 plus 3x square plus 7 into x square minus 5x plus 8. We have taken the LCM as the product of these two polynomials and we have written the numerator accordingly. Now this becomes dy by dx becomes, putting the value of y, this is x square minus 5x plus 8, x cube plus 7x plus 9. Now simplifying these brackets, multiplying this, it becomes 2x to the power 4 plus 14x plus 18x minus 5x cube minus 35x minus 45, then plus 3x to the power 4 minus 15x cube plus 24x square plus 7x square minus 35x plus 56 upon the same thing, x square minus 5x plus 8 and x cube plus 7x plus 9. So it cancels out and we are left with, now simplifying it, 2 and here we have 3, 5x की power 4, then minus 5 and minus 15 is minus 20x cube, then for x square 24 plus 7, 24 plus 7, here we have 14x square, we can write it, 14 plus 24 will be 38 and 7 will be 45x square. Then 18x, 18 minus 35 is minus 17 and again minus 35 will be minus 52x. Then the constant term minus 45 plus 56 is plus 11. So here also we are getting the same answer as in the previous part. So we can say that yes, in all three ways we get the same answer. So this completes 17th question. Now look at the last question of this exercise, 18th question. Here we have to differentiate this function. If u, v and w are functions of x, then show that d by dx of u v w is equal to du by dx vw plus u dv by dx w plus uv dw by dx in two ways. First by repeated application of product rule, second by logarithmic differentiation. So in first part we have to differentiate it by repeated application of product rule. So see here, now we can write this uvw as, we can separate it as uv into w. Now applying product rule, what we get? That will be equal to first differentiation of uv, we are taking this as first function, into w as it is plus uv as it is and differentiation of w. Now again applying product rule, again applying product rule, we get, now UV, on UV we are applying again product rule. So it becomes du by dx into V plus u into dV by dx, bracket, W is outside, plus uv dw by dx. On opening the bracket, we get du by dx into V into W plus u into dV by dx into W plus u into V into dW by dx. So we are getting the right hand side. So we have proved it. Now in the second part, we have to use the logarithmic differentiation. So now let y equal to uvw. Now taking log both sides, what we get? Log y equal to log of u into v into w, which can be written as log u plus log v plus log w. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, what we get? 1 by y dy by dx will be, now log u, differentiation of log u will be 1 by u du by dx, then plus 1 by v dv by dx, applying the chain rule, and 1 by w dw by dx. So that dy by dx is equal to, taking y to right hand side, and we can take the LCM, we are left with uvw, and here vw du by dx plus uw dv by dx plus uv dw by dx. So from here, dy by dx is equal to, putting the value of y uvw into, this can be written as du by dx v into w plus u dv by dx into w plus u into v into dw by dx. So upon uvw. Now this cancels out u, v and w. So here again we are left with du by dx v into w plus u dv by dx into w plus u into v into dw by dx. So we are getting the same answer in, we have proved this result by both the methods. This completes 18th question, and with this exercise 5.5 is completed. So if you find this video useful, please subscribe my channel and like and share this video. Thank you.